Hello, I'm Sandhya and welcome to Dynamic Living. This week's question comes from a young student who's struggling with her PhD thesis. She's feeling overwhelmed, she's feeling anxious, she's worried that she won't complete her thesis on time. She's also worried about what the job scenario is going to look like in a few months, and is just overall feeling a lack of motivation. Well, I just want to tell you that what you're feeling is completely natural, and in fact, you could be suffering from a condition called senioritis. Now, you're not going to find this in any dictionary and certainly not in a medical journal, but it is a very real condition, and it can be all pervasive and it can be contagious as well. This is typically what happens to students as they become senior, become very close to graduation. So much time, so much effort has gone into this particular goal, and everything you've been gunning for has been to this point. And as that point appears, it suddenly seems very daunting for a couple of reasons. One is that you worry, as you are feeling right now, if you will indeed reach that. But a much bigger worry is suddenly the question of what lies beyond. And what we don't know and what we're uncertain about can often cause us anxiety. And in your case, indeed for all of us, now more so than ever before, our future does seem so uncertain. Nobody knows what the job market is going to look like, and the months ahead, the whole world is in such a state of flux. Is it any wonder that you're feeling this anxiety? But keep in mind that this is curable. That's the good news. And it's about creating awareness for yourself. Right? Because what you don't know and what lies beyond is not in your hands right now. And also that every minute that you spend worrying about an uncertain future prevents you from working in your present and being fully present for the work that you have before you. So once you realize also, and I do realize that this must be a lot of pressure. There are a lot of people counting on you or hoping that you will finish your thesis on time. I do know that you've struggled on multiple counts. Do know that you're doing this primarily for yourself. This is your life, this is your journey, and all you have control over is your action. You don't have control over so many other factors, which includes the quality of your guide, which includes changing timelines, which includes a less than supportive environment. Now, you just need to focus on the actions, the tasks that you have before you. If you have 3 months, you just need to break it down and see what you can do in this much time. And sometimes it's also helpful to just sort of imagine a worst case scenario. Say for whatever reason you didn't finish in 3 months. So what? Is the world really going to come crashing down? Really? And sometimes when you get that perspective, just know that we put a lot of undue pressure on ourselves. Do the best you can, stay in the present, take it one day at a time, break down your tasks. You can overcome senioritis and you can become a senior. All the very best to you.